The letter T makes a T sound. To make this sound, put your tongue onto the roof of your mouth like T, T, T. For example, I have a ticket to ride the train. The teacher gave us a test on Tuesday. When you add an H to the T, it makes a different sound. To make this sound, put your tongue through your teeth like this. Thuh, thuh, thuh. For example, I have a doctor's appointment at 3:30 on Thursday. I think both my mother and father are over there. Words like truth have both sounds. It is important to always tell the truth. This Thursday, my brother Tom will travel from Texas to South Carolina.